Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. 22nd July, that is celebrated as National Flag Day. The national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947. It was designed by Pingali Venkaya, and the ratio of width of the flag to its length is 2:3. It is horizontal triangular flag with saffron kesari at the top, which signifies sacrifice, white in the middle, that signifies peace and truth, and green at the bottom, that signifies peace of truth. In the middle, there is Ashok Chakra, which is taken from lion capital of Sarnath. To mark the 75th year of India's independence, the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is organized under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The idea behind the initiative is to invoke the feeling of patriotism in the heart of the people and to promote awareness about the Indian national flag. Anti-defection law was continuously in the news. Let's see what is the anti-defection law. The 10th schedule, which deals with the Anti-Defection Act, was inserted in the Constitution via 52nd Amendment Act 1985. It provides for the disqualification of elected members belonging to any political party on the grounds of defection to another political party. Let's understand what is defection means. It is a voluntarily giving up membership of political party, vote or abstain from voting contrary to any direction issued by the party without prior permission, and such voting abstention is not condoned by the party. If any independently elected member joins any political party, and if any nominated member joins any political party after the expiry of 6th month. But according to 91st Constitutional Amendment Act 2003, there are certain exception under the anti-defection law. Those are when 2/3 of the legislature of political party decides to merge into another party. Neither the members who decide to join nor the ones who stays with the original party will face disqualification. Niti Aayog releases the 3rd edition of India's Innovation Index, which ranks the state and the union territories on their innovation performance. Karnataka and the major states top the rank, whereas Manipur tops the rank in the northeastern and hilly states, and Chandigarh tops the state in the union territories. This rank based on the 7 pillars that enables 5 enabler pillars that measures the input and 2 performance pillars that measures the output. That includes human capital, investment, knowledge worker, business environment, safety and legal environment, knowledge output, and knowledge diffusion. IUCN added the migrating monarch butterfly for the first time to its red list of threatened species and categorized it as endangered. IUCN, that stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature, was created in 1948 with aim of conservation of the environment. IUCN is the world's largest environmental network, which comprises of both government as well as civil society organization. IUCN established the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species in 1964. It contains the threat perception and vulnerability status of plants, animals, and fungus species. Bureau of India's Standard, BIS, publishes 10 Indian standards on safety aspect of toys related to physical safety, safety against chemical, flammability, and electrical safety. 7 of these standards are the part of Quality Control Order QCO on safety of toys, mandate the toys for children less than 14 years of age bear ISI marks. No person is permitted to manufacture, import, sell, or distribute, store, hire, lease, or exhibit for sale toys which do not bear ISI mark under a license from BIS. Lok Sabha passes Indian Antarctic Bill 2022. The bill aims to regulate visit and activities to Antarctica as well as set ground rules for potential dispute that may arise among those present on the continent. It also prescribes penal provision for certain serious violations, as India is a signatory to the Antarctic Treaty of 1963. Let's understand the key features of the bill. It will empower the government to establish a committee on Antarctic governance and environmental protection to monitor, implement, and ensure compliance with the relevant international laws, emission standards, and rules of protection. The panel is to be headed by the Secretary of Ministry of Earth Science as ex officio chairperson. The bill also prohibits certain activities in Antarctica that includes nuclear explosion or disposal of radioactive waste, introduction of non-sterilized soil, and discharge of garbage, plastic, or other substance into the sea, which is harmful to the marine environment. Let's understand about the Antarctic Treaty. In 1959, 12 countries, Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Chile, France, Japan, New Zealand, Norway, South Africa, the USSR, the UK, and the US signed the Antarctic Treaty. Their aim was to prevent the continent from being militarized and to establish it as a center of peaceful activities. Later, more countries, including India, have become party to the treaty and today is count more than 54 members. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examinations. Seats are very limited, so book your success. Thank you for watching this video and do not forget to hit the like button, comment your valuable feedback and also press the subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box.